Clap your hands. Yes, clap your hands and hep, hep, hooray. Hep, hep, hooray. Okay. So when you do this like this, hep, hep, hooray. Yes, but if you did not do the clapping and the raising your hand, you're out of the game. So it's battle of the feet. Ano ta? Battle of the feet and and joke. Okay, are you ready, guys? So let's practice. Let's practice. 1, 2, 3, and alert, alert. Wala pa nga. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and very good. Yes, thank you so much. And let's practice. Like 1, 2, 3, and go. Hep, hep. 1, 2, 3, and go. Yes, you clap. Okay. Are you enjoying? Okay, yes. Sure, yes. 1, 2, 3, and the other side nga naman. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray!
Parang iba-iba na yung laro. Hep, hep, hooray. 1, 2, 3, and go. Let's do it faster, okay? 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay, again. Practice. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay, napapagod. Ang gagaling na. You guys, you are also great. You are also great. Okay, thank you so much and nice meeting you guys. We hope that you will be enjoying your stay here in Intramuros. Welcome here in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Once again, we're Lahalang Batingaw. Thank you for allowing us.
Thank you guys. And